Now, I am profusely elated to take an opportunity to introduce our chief guest, Mrs. Rajini Garu, Honourable High Court Judge. Ma'am, you are a sculpture of humanity that enlighten us with wonderful words. We hope you enlighten us with your wise words and provide us with inspiration to carry this event forward. I would like to invite Dr. Mrs. Rajini Garu onto the dais and speak a few words.
The members on the dais, Dr. Sri Reddy Garu, the Vice Chancellor, Kanchana Garu, the Secretary of these wonderful institutions, Venkat Garu, the Chancellor, Mrs. Sridevi, the convener of the summit. I'm happy for having been invited for this National Women's Summit organized by KL University Women's Forum. This event, unfortunately, stands to be still relevant. Coming together of women stands to be still the necessity of this society, unfortunately. I have talked on this subject more than many times. Every time I'm confronted with the dilemma as to how I should start this. As one of the speakers was mentioning, women are occupying few spaces in the public world, but the fact remains that women now are not scarce who are ready to occupy all spheres of life. To be more precise, majority of the women, if not all, are ready to occupy any sphere of the life given an opportunity. There are women who already occupy important places in almost all walks of life. In spite of that, we still feel that we are not empowered. The reasons we'll have to cogitate in this two-day summit, and you'll have to reach a reasonable conclusion on how and what are the methods and modes by which a woman can be empowered. This topic, as I said, is a multifaceted topic. It has several aspects: economic empowerment, social empowerment. I consider psychological empowerment of a woman as the utmost important aspect of the empowerment of women. Before elaborating on this, I would like to put before you the outcome of a research conducted by a women's organization called Sakshi way back in 80s. And before that, I would like to put a question to all the girls here. How many of you would consider a simple slap on your face as violence? Please raise your hands. Look at that. Only one girl in this audience of maybe few hundreds raises a hand saying that a slap on her face is a violence. So all the others, we have to assume that they do not consider one slap on their face as a violence. Isn't it? The outcome of the survey that was conducted by that women's organization was exactly this. 70% of the judicial officers, judges, are of the same opinion as many of you are here, that one slap of a woman is not a violence. So if a case comes before such judicial officer, the verdict is obvious, that a woman who comes before him saying that an atrocity was committed by me and the nature of atrocity is one slap on my face, the judgment would nevertheless be that it's not violence, isn't it? So that's the justice you want. So 99% of the audience here, unfortunately the upcoming girls, opine that one slap is not a violence. So there stands the importance of how you define yourselves, how you define your freedom, how you define the aspects of your empowerment.